West LA hacks. Use AI to get more done, even if you're not a techie. Hey West LA, feeling overwhelmed by technology? Worried AI is going to take over your job? Relax. Today, your friendly neighborhood computer expert, Daniel, is here to show you how AI can actually make your life easier, even if you're not a coding whiz. We're talking about the brand new Google Gemini Pro. Think of it as your personal magic assistant. So, put down that coffee or pour another, your choice. And let's dive into some West LA hacks you can use right now. Life hack number 1. Goodbye email writer's block. Ever stare at a blank email draft for ages? Gemini Pro to the rescue. Just tell it the gist of your message and bam, it crafts a clear, professional email for you. Need to follow up? No problem. It even suggests responses based on past interactions. Imagine the time you'll save writing thank you notes, scheduling meetings, or sending reminders, all with perfect grammar and tone. Life hack number 2. Photo organization wizard. Drowning in a sea of digital photos? Gemini Pro sorts them like magic. Upload your pics, and it automatically groups them by people, places, and even objects. No more endless scrolling. Plus, it can even generate captions and create slideshows with stunning effects, perfect for sharing those West LA memories on social media. Life hack number 3. Automate the mundane. Feeling like you spend all day on repetitive tasks? Gemini Pro can handle that. Tell it a boring chore you do on your computer, and it'll learn to automate it. Need to download reports every week? Want to update your calendar from emails? Gemini Pro can do it all, freeing up your time for the things you actually enjoy, like exploring that new coffee shop down the street. Remember, you're in control. Don't worry, AI isn't taking over the world. Yet. You're always in control with Gemini Pro. Think of it as a powerful tool that helps you work smarter, not harder. And guess what? It's still under development, so you can be part of shaping the future of AI. Who knows, maybe your West LA hack idea will be the next big feature. So, ditch the fear and embrace the future. Try out Gemini Pro and see how it can transform your West LA life. Leave a comment below with your favorite hack, and let's build a community of tech-savvy Angelinos making the most of AI. Remember, I'm here to answer your questions and guide you on your AI journey. Until next time, stay tech-savvy, West LA. Don't forget to subscribe for more West LA tech tips and tricks. And hit that like button if you learned something new today. See you next time.